How to stop macOS app permission pop-ups. Imagine trying to get some work done on your Mac, and suddenly a pop-up appears asking for permission to access your camera or files. It can be annoying, right? These prompts are part of macOS's way of keeping your data safe. They pop up whenever an app wants to use sensitive features like your microphone, camera, or full disk access. The system wants you to give clear permission before allowing access. This is a security feature designed to protect your privacy. If you find these pop-ups interrupting your workflow, there are ways to manage or reduce them. First, you need to understand how the permission system works. macOS asks for permissions for specific functions such as accessibility controls, screen recording, or access to your files. Each app needs to request permissions separately, and you can control these in the Privacy and Security section of System Settings. To stop repeated prompts, you can manually grant permissions to trusted apps. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then choose the category like Accessibility or Full Disk Access. Find the app in the list or add it if it's missing. Turn on the permission for that app. Doing this prevents the app from asking for permission again and again. Some apps need broad access to work properly. Granting full disk access to trusted apps can stop frequent permission requests. Be cautious, though, and only give this access to apps you trust completely. You can also review app permissions regularly and remove permissions for apps you no longer use or trust. If pop-ups still appear after granting permissions, try restarting your Mac. Sometimes, resetting the permissions database or reinstalling the app can help fix persistent prompts. Avoid using unsafe tricks like changing your system date or other unofficial methods, as they can cause system issues or security risks. Unlike Windows, which uses user account control dialogues mainly for privilege elevation, macOS emphasizes user consent for each app. Linux systems vary but usually relying on manual configuration rather than frequent pop-ups. To sum up, managing app permissions on your Mac involves proactively granting permissions to trusted apps in the Privacy and Security settings. This keeps your system secure while reducing unnecessary interruptions. Always be cautious about which apps you give access to, and keep your system updated for the best security and performance.